Sia, a 21-year-old college student with a passion for fashion, always had wanted a pair of Gucci shoes. She had seen them everywhere, on celebrities, in magazines, in store windows, but they were always too expensive. So she started saving, little by little, until the day she finally walked into a Gucci store, ready to buy her first pair. As she held the sleek leather shoe in her hands, she wondered, what makes these so special? Was it just the brand, or was there more to it? That question led her to the heart of Gucci's shoemaking. Lace up, because we are all together in this adventure. Every luxurious pair of Gucci begins with a powerful vision, often drawn from the rich heritage of the brand. The design team at Gucci's headquarters, currently directed by Sabato Di Sarno, is located in Florence, where centuries of craftsmanship meet cutting-edge creativity. The designers, led by the creative director, begin with sketches, sourcing inspiration from art, architecture, and even nature. Their goal? To create shoes that radiate sophistication, timeless style, and a touch of Italian flair. Once the initial concept takes shape, the design team polishes every single detail, translating their vision into high-quality digital designs using advanced CAD software. The blueprint of these shoes comes to life, with each curve, stitch, and silhouette planned to perfection. But the design is only the beginning. To bring these ideas into reality, the right materials are essential. Gucci shoes are synonymous with top-tier materials, but have you ever wondered what goes into choosing them? Their selection is critical to both the aesthetic and comfort of the final product. The brand works with only the finest leathers, including calfskin, goat leather, and exotics like snakeskin or crocodile. I know, that's kind of creepy, and I honestly don't know how I feel about it. But however, if it makes you feel any better, each material is sourced from renowned tanneries, especially in Italy, where tradition meets innovation in crafting luxurious and sustainable materials. Gucci is also committed to sustainable practices, using responsibly sourced materials where possible. The soles of their shoes are made from a variety of materials, including high-quality rubber, leather, and wood, designed not only for style, but for durability and comfort. With the materials in place, the next step is crafting the upper. And this is where things get super unique and expensive. Gucci's legacy of craftsmanship shines through, where artisans apply time-honored techniques passed down through generations. Whether it's the signature horse bit on a loafer or the iconic Gucci web on a sneaker, each detail is carefully stitched by hand to ensure precision and elegance. The upper is often crafted from multiple layers of leather or fabric, and the artisans incorporate decorative elements like embroidery, beads, or gold tone hardware, depending on the, design. Advanced machinery may assist with cutting and shaping, but it's the hands of skilled workers that bring the shoe to life, adding a personal touch that's felt in every step. With the upper now ready, the next crucial step is assembling the shoe. If you've ever tried a Gucci shoe, you would realize how immaculate and to the T the fit is. It's snug but extremely comfortable. But how do artisans even ensure a perfect fit when every foot is unique? Well, the artisans carefully attach the upper to the shoe's midsole and outsole, ensuring that the fit is flawless. For luxury shoes like Gucci, the fit is supreme. So they invest in molds often made to resemble a foot's natural shape to ensure that the shoe hugs the foot perfectly. The outsole is typically made from sturdy rubber or leather, depending on the, style, providing both grip and durability. The soles may also be garnished with Gucci's signature logos or patterns, elevating the design even further. But I bet you didn't know this. While handcrafting is the cornerstone of Gucci's identity, the brand has also embraced cutting-edge production techniques to meet global demand without compromising on quality. For example, the use of laser cutting, 3D modeling, and advanced stitching machines ensures precision and consistency while maintaining the brand's high standards of craftsmanship. The fusion of old and new creates a truly unique product that marries heritage with innovation. Every Gucci luxury shoe undergoes a detailed finishing process that sets it apart from ordinary footwork. The artisans pay close attention to the smallest details, whether it's the delicate stitching, the application of the iconic Gucci logo, or the placement of embellishments like studs or crystals. These details add an element of luxury that turns each shoe into a work of art. In some cases, shoes may undergo a final hand polishing process, ensuring that the leather shines and looks pristine. The shoe is then carefully inspected for any imperfections, as, even the tiniest flaw can mean rejection. This careful checking is part of Gucci's strict quality control process, where experts inspect each pair closely. They look at the stitching, leather, finish, and overall fit to make sure everything is perfect. This step ensures that every shoe leaving the factory meets Gucci's high standards for quality and luxury. Speaking of quality, have you ever wondered what separates a true luxury shoe from an ordinary one? It's not just about the materials or the design, it's about perfection. Gucci's luxury shoes go through strict quality control, where skilled inspectors check every pair for flaws in the stitching, leather quality, finish, and overall fit. This stage ensures that every shoe leaving the factory meets the brand's exacting standards. Any imperfections, whether it's an uneven stitch, a scratch on the leather, or a misaligned sole, will result in the shoe being sent back for repair or even, discarded. Only the shoes that pass this extensive inspection are deemed worthy of the Gucci name. Talking about the Gucci name, by the way, how does the brand ensure that the luxury experience begins before you even try the shoes on? After passing quality control, each Gucci shoe is carefully packaged to preserve its luxury appeal. The shoes are placed in signature Gucci boxes, making packaging an art in itself. Often lined with plush tissue paper, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition, the presentation is part of the experience, offering the buyer a taste of what's to come even before they open the box. The minimalist design of the packaging reflects the elegance of the shoe themselves, with each detail, from the logo to the tissue paper, carefully designed to create a sense of eagerness and exclusivity. Once packaged, the shoes are shipped to Gucci boutiques around the world, luxury department stores, and online retailers. The distribution process ensures that the shoes reach their final destination in perfect condition. Gucci also carefully controls the release of limited edition or high-demand styles to create an aura of exclusivity, making sure that each pair is adored and highly sought after. Whether in store or online, the Gucci shopping experience is a journey of luxury from start to finish. Gucci has become a global icon, not only because of its heritage and craftsmanship, but also due to its innovative marketing strategies. Through collaborations with artists, influencers, and pop culture figures, Gucci has turned luxury shoes into cultural artifacts. This fusion of craftsmanship and culture has elevated Gucci's status as a luxury brand, making each pair of shoes not just a fashion item, but a statement of identity and creativity. The next time you slip into a pair of Gucci luxury shoes, remember, you're not just wearing a pair of shoes. You're stepping into a piece of Italian craftsmanship, modern innovation, and timeless style. Now, speaking of craftsmanship, let's shift gears and talk about something a little more crispy. Ever wondered how your favorite McDonald's chicken nuggets come into existence? No, they don't just magically appear in that perfectly branded box, fresh out of a golden brown dream. From farm to fryer, the journey of these iconic little bites is a masterclass in efficiency, precision, and let's be honest here, just the right amount of mystery. Because let's face it, we've all had that moment of existential dread while biting into a nugget, wondering, what exactly am I eating? Well, good news or bad, depending on how much you enjoy the unknown, McDonald's actually has a pretty streamlined process. It all starts with real chicken. Yeah, a real one. Buck, buck. Before your McDonald's chicken nuggets hit the fryer, the first step begins with sourcing the finest chicken. McDonald's works with trusted suppliers to ensure the chicken is raised under strict standards of quality and safety. The chicken used for nuggets typically comes from the breast, as it provides the right balance of lean meat for that tender bite. The meat is transported to the factory in refrigerated trucks, ensuring it stays fresh and safe for processing. Once our chicken is deboned, it is then ground up into a lovely pink paste. Think of it as like a meaty smoothie, but you probably shouldn't drink it. Once the chicken arrives at the factory, the meat is carefully trimmed and ground into a fine paste. This process ensures that the nuggets have that uniform texture. Machines grind the chicken, separating the meat from any bones or, cartilage, and then it's blended with other ingredients like seasoning, salt, and sometimes starch to help bind everything together. Here's the surprising part. While it may look like just a simple grind, the process is actually highly automated with robotic arms taking over the heavy lifting. These robots not only make the process faster, but also ensure each batch is consistent in texture and flavor. These machines work with such accuracy that they can separate chicken meat from the bones at an almost microscopic level. Talk about high-tech poultry processing. Now, this fine poultry puree is then seasoned, shaped into those oddly satisfying boot, ball, bell, and bone shapes because apparently chicken nugget geometry matters, right? Once the chicken mixture is ready, the next step is shaping the nuggets. But why these specific shapes? Is there a secret formula behind them, or did someone in a lab just, decide that nuggets needed a bit of personality? Believe it or not, there's a reason. These shapes aren't just random. No, they're designed for consistent cooking, easy dipping, and let's be honest, a little bit of fun. The meat is fed into molds that form the familiar nugget shape. Some of them are even made to resemble little chicken shapes or other fun designs. The nuggets are shaped quickly and efficiently, and then the mixture is pressed to ensure they hold together during cooking. The next? Well, these little geometric pieces are battered not once, but twice for that signature crispy crunch you adore in every bite. Now comes the crucial step, breading. The nuggets are dipped in a batter, then coated with a breadcrumb mixture. This helps give the nugget its crispy exterior once it's fried. After the breading process, the nuggets are placed on trays in preparation for frying. The twist here? Well, the breading is a closely guarded secret. McDonald's keeps the exact recipe for their breading under wraps, and many have tried to replicate it without success. The batter coating is carefully engineered to hold up during both freezing and frying, creating that perfect, golden crust that people crave. Once breaded, the nuggets are deep fried at the factory. This cooking process ensures the exterior becomes crispy while the chicken inside stays moist and tender. The nuggets are fried at a precise temperature to create the ideal texture, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Once fried, the nuggets are flash frozen to preserve their flavor and texture until they're ready for shipping. After frying, the nuggets are quickly flash frozen. Freezing ensures that they maintain their taste and quality and prevents them from spoiling during transport. This freezing process locks in all the freshly fried goodness, keeping the chicken nuggets safe for shipping to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. And hey, did you know the freezing technology used is cutting edge? It's not just about keeping the nuggets cold. Nah, the freezing process is done so quickly that the texture of the chicken and the breading is preserved in a way that prevents the breading from becoming soggy. This method, called blast freezing, is essential for delivering that satisfying crunch in every bite. Once frozen, the chicken nuggets are carefully packaged into large bags. But have you ever wondered how they stay so fresh and crispy by the time they reach your tray? Which are then sealed and shipped to McDonald's restaurants around the globe. The packaging ensures that the nuggets remain frozen until they're ready to be cooked and served to customers. The frozen nuggets are shipped to distribution centers, from where they're sent out to individual restaurants, ensuring they're ready for frying at a moment's notice. When the nuggets arrive at McDonald's, they're ready to be fried once more. The restaurant's fryers cook the frozen nuggets to perfection, turning them into golden crispy nuggets you know and love. I know and love. The fry time is precise, ensuring that they're perfectly cooked each time. Once fried, the nuggets are served hot and ready to dip in your favorite sauce. Whether you go for barbecue, sweet and sour, or classic honey mustard, McDonald's chicken nuggets are ready to make your meal a little more delicious. One last twist for you. Ever wonder why the nuggets always seem to taste the same? Well, that's because McDonald's has perfected the process so much so that even the seasoning is consistent across all locations. Every nugget tastes just like the last because of the controlled cooking, seasoning, and preparation process. It's a seamless operation that ensures you get that familiar taste every time. So the next time you pop in a McDonald's chicken nugget into your mouth, just remember it's not just food. They're carefully engineered masterpieces of science, efficiency, and just a touch of what the heck did I just eat? But now you know. And since you've made it this far, don't forget to check out other videos on our channel and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how much you enjoyed this journey with us, or let us know your thoughts. See you in the next one.